Let's talk about the strength and durability of the casting. The cover has a dampener gasket around the perimeter that prevents abrasion whenever it's in traffic.
DUROSTREET covers have been tested for both proof load and fatigue testing. Proof load is HS25, 50,000 pounds on a 9x9 area. In addition to that, the fatigue testing, we test 2 million cycles at 16,000 pounds on that 9x9 area in the center of the cover. They're the toughest, most durable covers on the market. DUROSTREET is the only cover out there that can withstand 2 million cycles at 16,000 pounds. That strength comes from the way we make the cover. It's the reaction injection molding process. The glass within the cover is in sheets. We use several layers of sheets of fabric that stretch from one side to the other. This cover happens to be 26 inches in diameter. It weighs 39 pounds, and you won't find another product out there that could claim that.